Now, if you're like me and you've got a wide variety of bikes, I have the Jason Thunder Pro bike here, and as you can see, I have a flat tire. It's not flat, I just deflated it for the purpose of this video, but let me show you this little bike pump that I carry with me pretty much everywhere I go. And number one, look at the size of this thing. It is just small enough to be like a fist load right there, or the size of a CO2 cartridge. You guys ever see those CO2 cartridges? Now, it can inflate up to 130 PSI, so you could almost do a tractor trailer tire with this thing. The total weight on it is 3.9 ounces, and the battery capacity is a 450 milliamp battery rated, and it's a Type C charging. You can see that 0 to 130 PSI, and it's got a little SOS light on it. By the way, it does have a little light on it, which whatever, it's the tiniest, cutest little light in the world. You just kind of set that thing up and it'll blink. So just in case you're inflating your tire and you don't want to get smashed on the side of the road, you can run that little light. See right here, it comes with a little Velcro basketball needle, a Presta valve needle, which we all need those, and a Schrader valve. There's the extension right there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show y'all how quickly it can inflate a tire up. So to turn this thing on, you're going to hold it down like this, or actually that's how you, I don't know how well you can see the blue, the red and blue lights. Y'all see that blinking red and blue? Different modes on there. To turn it on, you kind of fast double press it, and you hear that kind of fast. By the way, it's not blinking in the camera. That's just the shutter speed in the video. So now what I'm going to do is just screw this in just like this. This is the extension cable. Okay, now that I've got the nozzle screwed in right there, to turn it from PSI to bar, double press these right here. See how I'm on bar? I don't know how well you can see it there. Now it's PSI. I'm at 42 PSI, which is obviously too high for a fat tire e-bike. Now all I gotta do is mash down on this right here. It goes really fast, by the way. Wow, that was quick. So let's go back up. Let's go 18 PSI. There it is, 18 PSI. Come on, Jet. Wow, that thing is so cute. Look at that little dongle right there. This would be a great option for anyone with a road bike or an e-bike or any type of like bike where they need to have a quick like inflation. Now, obviously it's a small cylinder pump, so I don't think it's gonna go super fast, but we're at 4. Speed this up and we'll come back when it's fully inflated. Okay, so it's at 18 right now. Now I think it needs to get to the top side of 18. It took around about maybe 2 minutes to fully inflate this, but yeah, everybody, that feels like 18 PSI. Let's see if it does the auto stop. It's gotta be very close. It's not very loud either. There it is. It stopped right on 18. Unscrew it just like that. Yeah, now to turn it off, hold it down like that, double hold it down. I leave this thing on here, honestly. What I like about this, look how compact that is. So yeah, this thing will pretty much store down anywhere, and I think it's a great option for anyone that just needs a good, solid bike pump that doesn't take up much room or have a lot of weight to it. This is the one I recommend. So yeah, everybody, that's all I got on the OUTZAC jet pump. See you on the next video.